Hello everybody, my name is Sean Hodge and welcome to the part 2 of our bomb falling game. So, last time we left off and where we made the simple controls for our game. So as you can see, we left to right. Oh yes, and in the last part I also forgot to mention, you need to put change X by left speed. You see that cat just flipped out for a second. So there we go. Now he moves both ways, and the reason he moves like this is because if you go to costumes and select on your cat, you can see that it's not centered. So if you see this little plus sign, the best way to center is putting it on the plus sign and moving this little guy up here. Oh, might need to change the Y a little bit. So let's just set this to 140. Excuse me. They fix this. Okay, so now we have it and everything fixed, and that happens how you fix it. See, now it's moving properly. But yeah, let's get started. So now we're gonna make our actual bombs. So I'm just gonna make a quick, simple bomb spray. Up, go. There we go. Now we have made a simple bomb spray. And now, yes, okay, and now we're gonna go to its coding, and when we're gonna make another forever loop, another forever if loop, and if you put when flag clicked forever, and then we're gonna go to data, make a variable, and we're gonna name this bomb fall speed. Now, this is not a recommend. Well, listen, it is recommended for more realism to your game. However, you can set up your clones for the bombs, which I will show you later, and then simply put a forever loop on all of them, saying to decrease their Y by a certain number, which it will look kind of slow, but it still works. So, bomb fall speed, we're going to put change fall speed by random numbers. We're just going to put, or we can just keep, you can keep it at 1. Here we go. And what is recommended is, since it doesn't, like, the game doesn't finish right away and it, like, skyrockets down, you might want to put a wait 1 second, so every 1 second the bomb fall speed changes. And then we're going to add another forever loop. And then this is where it gets a little complicated. So first, we're going to add wait 1 second, and then we're going to add create clone of myself. Now, it's pretty self-explanatory, but I'm still going to explain it. What this basically does is create a copy of the sprite, but not letting it appear in an actual sprite bar. So what I mean is, if I create clone of myself, hold on a second. Well, not bad example. Anyways, to clarify, this is basically creates a clone anywhere in the map, I guess you can call it that. But the problem with that is that bombs can spawn. Oh, okay, never mind. Good example. Anyways, bombs can spawn anywhere from here to here, and even on your sprite. So the way we fix that, well, first let's fix this. So when flags clicked forever, wait 1 second, create clone myself. So this is already good. And then we're going to go to the control, scroll all the way down. When I start as a clone, we're going to go to motion. Oh, my bad. We need to change the bomb's fall speed to negative, because since the y-axis is going down. Sorry for that. Alright, so now when I start as a clone, motion, change y by bomb fall speed. Here we go. So now, after this, we're going to go to X, and now we're going to go to operators, and we're going to pick random negative 240. Now, what this does is that means that it'll spawn anywhere on the x-axis from here, from negative 240, which is on the very left of the screen, and positive 240, which is on the right of the screen. So go to X, pick random 240 to 240, negative 240 to 240, and Y is going to be 149, as bombs have a y-axis of 149. But you can change this Y to anywhere. Just make sure it isn't up anywhere above 180, so it won't go off the screen. For me, I'm going to set mine to 160. And then we're going to put when flag is clicked forever if touching sprite 2, then set bomb fall speed to 0. Now what this does is when the bombs hit the ground, they'll set the bomb fall speed to 0. And yeah. And then it'll increase again, as shown here. And then lastly, we're going to put create clone myself, and then we're going to go wait 5 seconds. Oops. Wait 5 seconds. Delete this clone. So basically, wait 1 second. So this is going to go on forever, by the way. So what it's going to do is wait 1 second, create clone of the bomb, then it'll wait another 5 seconds, and then after that, it's going to delete the clone. So let's have a test run. Oh yes. Okay, so one last thing. We need to put forever around this. And this is also a forever loop. Oh, here we go. Wait, no. We need to remove this, put this here, and here we go. Fix it. So now if we take a test run of this, here we go. And now it's dropping bombs. So now, it should create a clone myself. So I'm just going to go wait 3 seconds so I can show a better example. So after 3 seconds, here we go, another bomb has spawned. So I'm going to make this a little faster. Set to 1.5 seconds. Run again. So pretty much every 1.5 seconds. So for basically every 2.5 seconds, another clone is generated. So here we go. Now it works. I'm going to decrease this by 0.5. Okay. And lastly, we need to, when you can put this in any code, but I'm just going to put in this one. When flag is clicked, set bomb fall speed to 0. So now the bombs are going to slowly fall, but then they're going to get increasingly faster and faster. There we go. Here we go. Basically, made your game. Now you can stop here, but I'm going to continue and make something else. So, first off, we're going to create a new sprite. So basically what we're going to do is add a lose feature. So when you get hit by the bombs, you lose. And basically the way to make that is going to here, typing in game over, and we're going to make a variable called lose. And we're going to put this variable in sprite 1. And you need to enter this code, which pause if you need to, and then enter the set lose to 1. Now we need to make a new sprite that says, congratulations, you went to level blank, and enter this code, and then enter this code, and then put the variable right in front of the text, and you finished.